Let's take the first step. Remove the bottom screw. Now insert the blade at the bottom of the screen. Gently tilt the screen up, then separate the screens. When the screen opens, remove the screws on the shielding cover in turn and remove the shield. Next, turn off the battery, then remove the display flex, touch flex and earpiece speaker flex. In turn, remove the screen. Next, unscrew the earpiece cable. Screws. Remove the earpiece cable from the screen. Next, use the decoder to read the original tone data from the old screen, right to a new screen. If operated at home, without this machine, please automatically ignore this step. Next, install the earpiece cable on the new screen and tighten the fixing screws. Now the screen, earpiece speaker flex, and battery flex buckle to the motherboard. Put the shield back and screw on the fixing screws in turn. Next, align the screen in the correct position. Gently press after the screen is installed well. Finally, install the bottom screws. Alright, the original screen of this iPhone XS has now been replaced. It's a penny for a penny. The color of the original screen is obviously much more comfortable. How to change the screen is very simple. If you like it, like and follow our page.